If you're craving a soft, fluffy snack with a cozy hint of spice, you're going to love these nutmeg mandazis. They are golden on the outside, soft on the inside, and so easy to make. Let's add the dry ingredients to our bowl. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg to spice the mandazis. Mix until well combined. In another bowl, crack 1 egg and beat it lightly. Add 1 cup of milk or water, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and stir until the dough is formed. Knead for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's soft and smooth. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. This will make your mandazis light and fluffy. Roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick or to your desired thickness. Cut into your favorite shapes and sizes. Heat the oil in a deep pot and add the mandazis carefully, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. This will drop the oil temperature and make them greasy. Fry for about 4 minutes on one side until golden and flip to cook on the other side. Transfer to a bowl lined with paper towel to drain the excess oil. Cook the remaining batches, keeping the heat steady. High heat will brown the outside so fast, leaving the inside uncooked. And there you have it. Soft and fluffy nutmeg mandazis with the most amazing aroma. They are perfect with tea, coffee, or as a snack any time of the day. If you love this recipe, check out my orange spiced mandazis. It's another delicious twist you won't want to miss. See you there.